Palhinha to Spurs. Here we go. A player that I would have taken at Arsenal. A player that is better than Norgaard. A player that we will see if Zubimendi is as good as. Because this was a player that I wanted. This is a player that I thought would have strengthened our midfield. Instead, we've got Norgaard. How did he didn't even play well against Spurs. We lost 1-0. I just don't, I really don't get it, man. I'm annoyed because I would have taken this player. Like, I would have taken him. And instead, we're going for comfortable backup players like Moreno, like Norgaard. How is Spurs getting Palhinha and not Arsenal? This is crazy, man. I can't lie. It's crazy work. It's crazy work, man. But I'm just exhausted. I'm just exhausted at the same old just buying players that are just comfortable for the bench, buying players that are just comfortably gonna do nothing. And yeah, I know we got Zubimendi and I know we got Gyökeres, but I would much rather have got Palhinha than get Norgaard or Moreno. But it is what it is. Moreno can't play as a DM, and Norgaard, some bang average player. Like, I don't really understand this football club, man. I don't know why. Sometimes I really question who's doing the scouting here. Who is doing the scouting? Premier League proven. Yeah, I mean, somebody that's, obviously going to Spurs from Bayern Munich. I don't understand why we're not going in for players like this, and instead we go for Norgaards and Morenos. Like, I don't really get it. And some people may say, "Oh yeah, but Northside Moreno, look at what he done for us last season, covering as a striker. Ultimately, weren't good enough. That's why we went in and got Gyökeres. He's not a striker. He's not a striker. He's a DM. When it comes to the DM position, he's not great at all. He can't get into the team. Can't get any minutes. Norgaard's in front of him. Rice in front of him. Zubimendi's in front of him. So I think it's a good signing for Spurs. I wish it was a signing for Arsenal. I wish we were the ones getting in the player, but seems like it's not going to be that. Looks like Norgaard is going to be the guy to go. Norgaard. Palhinha seems to be the guy going Spurs. And yeah, we just got to see how it works with Zubimendi and Norgaard. Obviously, I'm not mad at Zubimendi. I think he's a decent player. We'll see what he does on a consistent basis. But yeah, I would have been happier with Zubimendi and Palhinha. That'd look a lot better. That'd look like, some DMs that I can trust, that got experience, that can get us over the line. But unfortunately, that's not going to be the case. So it's all just frustrating. Really, really frustrating when it comes to that. But yeah, it's done. On the other side of North London, Fulham is discussing with the representatives of Arsenal star Zinchenko. Hopefully this can happen because we've already got 2 backup players injured that we want to sell. And we don't need any more. Jesus and Trossard are both injured, both players that we're looking to move on. Zinchenko now, hopefully we can cash in on him and get some money in so that we can go out there and get other targets that will actually push the club forward. It says here the Ukrainian international could be on his way out of the Emirates as his future at the club looks increasingly uncertain. Zinchenko is expected to struggle for regular playing time. I already know this. Fulham hoping to secure Zinchenko as Arsenal reshape the squad. Hopefully we can. I mean, we're supposed to have kept good relations with Fulham because we sold him Emil Smith Rowe. So I think Reece Nelson's gone out on loan with them before as well. So hopefully the good relation talk, can help us out. Hopefully. Remaining in London could be an attractive option for the defender. According to Star Sports, the Cottagers are already in discussions with Zinchenko's representatives as they explore the possibility of securing his signature. Please, God willing, please, just take him, man. Just take him. Do you know what I'm saying? Just take him. We'll do anything so you can take him. We need to free up space. God willing, they just take him and we're able to reinvest that money. I think Zinchenko's on 150 a week. So yeah, I don't know. I don't think Fulham's going to match those wages, but it is what it is. Just get rid of him. Let us move forward, and hopefully we can move on a couple more players. I'd love to move on Kivior, you know what I mean, and the Reece Nelsons and all these other players that need to go. But I'm not too sure if that would be possible because this club takes forever to get these deals done. They take forever to get over the line. It's just all long. Just gonna be honest. I'm just being honest. It's just all long. Hopefully we can get this wrapped up and done real quick. And yeah, I'm just sick and tired of seeing these same old bench players just sitting here collecting a wage. Back, a couple of years ago, it was Callum Chambers, Rob Holding, El Nene's, you know what I mean? Those kind of players. And now it's Zinchenko's, Kivior's, you know what I mean? Martinelli's, Trossard's, you know what I mean? It's just not good enough. Jesus's. We need to get rid of these players, man. But they're just going to hinder us in a lot of the things that we want to do. And we just need to get rid because I've really gotten tired of seeing these guys all the time. Lost 1-0 to Spurs. What are these men going to actually do to affect the game? That's what happens when you have to rotate our squad. You look at the way that our squad was yesterday. It's not good enough. It's not even good enough to win a Carabao Cup or an FA Cup. It's not good enough. So we need to fix up and we need to make sure that we move on a lot of these players. But yeah, I'm just annoyed, man. We spent time getting Mascara and Keppers and things like that. We should have already got Palia. Palia would have cooked, man. It's already a defensive team anyway, so he'll have a lot of help around him. He'll be able to perform here. Do you know what I mean? There's not much pressure. This fan base don't really put pressure on a club like that. Let's just be honest. And yeah, I think it'd be all right. But clearly, Berta has different ideas. But we will see. We'll see because I just want this manager to fall on his sword. I just want this manager to just get finished because I'm seeing so much young attacking talent coming out of the academy, and I'm not seeing them being used in the way they should be used. And that's first teamers. That's players that should be playing week in, week out. But you already know the favoritism around this club, favoritism with this manager. It always happens. It's an absolute joke. But free my guy Ethan, free Max. You know what I mean? It is what it is. Let the kids just ball out, man. Let the kids ball out. You know what I mean? What is this? Moreno insists winning is not the most important thing in pre-season. Is this guy crazy? Is this guy stupid? Winning is not the most important thing. So why didn't you go to a club that has no expectation of winning? Speaking to Arsenal media, Moreno said, "It's not the result we wanted. Obviously, winning is a priority for us, but in pre-season, there are other things that have a lot of value, like getting fit, keeping the concentration with the fans here in this amazing city. We adapted quickly to the pitch, to the opponent. I think we dominated most of the game. The result is obviously the worst part, but we had to take the positives." Bro, if you don't want no stress, no pressure, please get out of my club and go to a club where they have no history of winning anything. You can't sit there, earning off of the heritage of this football club and then say winning's not the most important thing. This guy needs to cut, bro. This guy needs to cut. Like I'm not really on entertaining it, but that's just me. With this fan base, that's the last kind of things that you need to be putting out there to this fan base. That winning is not the most important thing. So what's the most important thing then? Watching Mikel. It's crazy, bro. Absolutely crazy. Make sure you're liking and subscribing and locking in. Pick up to everyone that's locked in. And we're out, familia. Love, 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 love.